Hello, Chef here. Once again, another video for you. I want to give you some tips on knife sharpening as well as how to make a brunoise. So this is a brunoise of zucchini, which is a small square dice. It's a pretty good brunoise, 1/8 by 1/8 inch, but it's not perfect. So I want to show you how to get a better brunoise. It starts with having a really good knife. This one's made in Germany. It's like a razor. But also, how sharp is the knife? So let's check it here. Cuts paper. Pretty good. Let's do 3 cuts. A little bit of resistance on that third cut. Okay, so what I've got here is a diamond sharpening steel. This is the best. This one's made in the USA, okay? So what I'm going to do is just a real quick hone with my steel. I'm holding the knife approximately 15 degrees angle. That's it. I'm all done. When I'm busy in the kitchen, the sharpening steel is my friend. It's fast. When I'm not busy, I take my knives and I run them through all the stones. Check out our videos. You can learn a lot more about knife sharpening. Here you go. 3 cuts again. 1, 2, 3. The knife is definitely sharper. It goes through this paper very easily, but the real test is not paper, it's obviously food. So let's take a closer look here at this awesome baby zucchini. Thank you, farmers. Really, really nice. And I want to, I want to give it a nice brunoise. So to achieve that, you need a nice flat surface. Cut off the top, cut off the bottom. And for something that rolls on you like this, you want to try to make it flat first. So to make it flat first, I'll remove the very, very bottom piece like this. There we go. I'll reserve that for something else. Now it's flat. Okay, so for a brunoise, I'm gonna, same thing here, remove this. Now I've got a nice square. Okay, for a 1/8 by 1/8. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this scrap here is still going to get used. I'll show you that in a minute. But this is for my brunoise. Now I line them up and I cut them into perfect pieces. With a sharp knife, it's so much easier. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so right there I've got 5 very consistent pieces, and I'm going to give them a small dice like this here. Little baby brunoise, okay? You can go faster with a little practice. Oh. Okay, so you can see what I got going on here. That's a really nice brunoise, and you're only going to achieve that with a sharp knife. If you compare the two of these brunoises, what I've got going on here, you compare the two of these, this one here is much nicer. Those are a perfect 1/8 by 1/8 brunoise right there. Really, really nice little squares. Okay, so that's the video. I just wanted to give you those tips. Keep your knives sharp. Yeah, score the chef's tools at the sponsor right there. Yes, subscribe right there. Oh yeah. This is the diamond steel I used. By the way, this one is about 10 years old. It's still going. This is the red one, the 600 grit diamonds, microparticles. And these are the best. Chef's knives are in stock, super high quality, razor sharp. And don't forget about the butcher block. You cannot have perfect cooking cuts and techniques and preparation without having a rock maple or other high quality hardwood butcher block. You got to have this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety. So I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses, Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. Ready to apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basils looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.